Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can change primary market on Shopify store. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to log into your Shopify store. That's the first step. I'm going to do that right now, and then I'm going to be showing you guys how you can change your primary market on Shopify. So if you want to target different country with your Shopify store, I'm going to be showing you how we can do that. I'm going to just click on here. Okay, you want to click on settings and you want to click on markets. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to click on markets here. And then after that, as you can see, the primary market currently is Morocco. So if you want to change it to another country, I'm going to add here add market. You want to click on add market. Okay, that's the first step. You just need to add a new market. Now I'm going to add, for example, Italy. Okay, I'm going to add Italy as my new market. You want to add it. Of course, you will have to name it. For example, you want to name it Italy new market. Okay, don't worry, customers will not see that. Click on add market. All right, now we have added the market. As you can see, this is the market. Morocco is primary market and Italy is the new market, but I want to set Italy as primary market. Just click on it, and then you want to click on more actions, and then click on make primary market. Click confirm. As you can see, now Morocco was removed, and now the Italy is the the primary market. Now if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. If you have any questions you don't understand, let me know in the comments. Drop a like on this video, and see you guys next video.